Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1987 Silverado. This baby is sweet, guys. It's been rotisserie restored. It's got a brand new GM crate motor in it. It's got a brand new 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission. It is probably the nicest 1987 Chevrolet pickup truck on the market right now. She is gorgeous. I mean, look at the front of that truck. It looks brand new. The grille looks new. The bumper looks new. The paint is amazing. Wait till we get underneath this baby. Wait till you take a look at the interior. She's gorgeous. All the rubber's new. The glass is all new. Tires, wheels, springs, suspension, paintwork, trim, stainless. Check out that interior, man. I got a special place in my heart on these trucks. I learned to drive on these babies. My dad had one of these. I drove this sucker back and forth to work all over the place. Of course, we didn't have a four-wheel drive. Ours was two-wheel drive. I'd have killed to have this thing. It's got brand new gas tanks. Look at this interior, man. All the trim, headliner, back window brand new, all the trim around the door opening, the door panels, the whole dash, all the gauges, all the chrome, all the paintwork in here, the carpeting. Man, looks like a brand new 1987 pickup truck. And look at the bed. This truck definitely never had to work a day in its life. Look at this thing. She is a beauty. Most pickup truck beds, man, they've been throwing cinder blocks in the back, all garbage, 2x4s, 4x4s, 6x6s, and you know the tailgates are always bent up. Somebody always puts down the tailgate and puts something way too heavy on the tailgate, and them tailgates are always all bent up and don't work right. This tailgate is smooth as can be. Look at that rear bumper. We got duals coming out the back just like it should be. She's a beauty. Look down the side of it. Man, the paintwork on the truck, just a beauty. Take this to any car show and be proud. You're going to win best of show with a four-wheel drive. Of course, I don't think I could resist taking this baby out to the sand dunes, the mud holes, something. I'd have to get this thing dirty, but of course you can wash it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this truck. Right now we have a little over 200 vehicles in stock, and we own every one of those vehicles. So you can bet we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can tell you all about them when you call at 248-974-9513. Now, I've been in the business for about 35 years, and I'm going to put all those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car or four-wheel drive. All right, here we go on our Chevrolet pickup truck. Four-wheel drive, guys. Crate motor under the hood, brand new transmission, rotisserie restored. Find me a mud hole. Let's go. This thing is sweet. I'll tell you what, I don't want to keep them very often, but I tell you what, I might keep this one. You better get a hold of it quick. This is one sweet ride. We talk about parking dreams and memories and all that all the time. This is bringing back memories for me. Like I said, my dad had a Chevrolet pickup truck. wasn't four-wheel drive, but I drove the hell out of that truck. This steering wheel brings back memories, this dash, everything. Got my arms laid in here just like I did when I was a kid driving down that expressway, heading to the shop. Now, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world. Don't you worry about that. We are shipping experts. Just talk to Tom at 248-974-9513. And you can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet. Everything's looking brand new. Just beautiful. You can see even the radio looks like it's original. Got our four-wheel drive shifter down here on the floor. Dash is beautiful. Love it. Dad always kept a couple rags folded up on the dash so you could wipe that dash off. My dad kept the best, he still does. Keeps the best, cleanest vehicles. It's all we ever did is rub on our cars. Now, we're real close to the Motor City, so if you'd like to come out and visit us in person, we would love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, but we love for our customers to come on in. Matter of fact, we have them come in all the time. They fly in. The hub here in Detroit's real easy to fly into. We're only about a 15-minute ride there from the airport too, so it's real easy to fly in here, do your business. We'll go on a test drive, do all the paperwork, and we can get you right back to the airport sometimes and get you right back home. We're coming up on the shop right now, and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this truck up on the lift, and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna show you that beautiful crate motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. All right, we're underneath this beauty now, and as you can see, it is just as beautiful under here. Brand new exhaust, and look at the paintwork on the bottom side of the bed. I tell you what, the bottom side of this truck looks as nice as the top side. It is beautiful. Right around the 373 gear, we rolled it over to count it. It is an open rear end. You can see brand new shocks. Even the snubbers are brand new. Now on the brakes, the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Look at this thing underneath. It is gorgeous. New fuel tanks, new mufflers. These are Flowmaster mufflers. That's why it sounds so good. New process transfer case, rebuilt unit. This is a brand new crate rebuilt trans. You can see that it's still got the sticker on it there. That's how many miles is on this baby. The sticker's still on it. You can also see the sticker here up on the motor. It's also a crate rebuilt unit. Everything on the truck, brand spanking new. Sway bar bushings, everything up here looks good. Shocks look great up here. It's just amazing. The paintwork on the frame look good. The extensions on the brakes look great. I mean, I can't say enough good things about this truck. It is a beauty, guys. She's gorgeous. I tell you, if you're gonna take us to a car show, you better invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom side of this beauty. She is gorgeous. Of course, it's got brand new BFGs on it, some good looking wheels too. Now, there is one lug nut missing on each wheel. It had some locks on it. We took the locks off because we didn't have the key. We are putting new lug nuts on here, so it will have lug nuts on it, no locks. 285/75/16s, and look at that paintwork. Right down to the pinch weld, looking good. The paintwork on the frame also looking great. Let's check the back here. Look back here, man. These tires are beautiful. Of course, the back tires same size, 285/75/16s. Wheel wells looking sweet. Look how clean those wheel wells are. And look at that paintwork there, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, let's lower it down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, even though this motor is a replacement crate motor that's been rebuilt, everything looks just like factory. The AC pump looks brand new. You can see it's still got a paper sticker on it. Master cylinder looks like a rebuilt unit. Power, it is power, brakes. You can see they even put a jack in here just like from the factory. Air cleaner, everything. It looks just like from the factory, guys. The truck does have air conditioning, firewall, all nicely painted, just like from the factory. Bottom side of the hood's all painted up just like from the factory. You can see it's still got a paper tag there on the alternator. I mean, it looks like a brand new truck, guys. She's gorgeous. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.